Hi everybody. We used to get the Imperfect Produce CSA box, so the organic farmer box. But we stopped getting it a while ago, and then when all of the crazy started happening and we needed to get more groceries somehow, I re-upped our subscription. So we've been getting it for the last couple months, and I don't know if you've ever gotten Imperfect Produce, but this is not sponsored at all, but it's pretty great. What they do is they buy up all of the produce that is going to be sent to a landfill because it doesn't meet the standards in the way it looks as far as what they need for grocery stores and markets. So they're just wacky looking or too big or too small or something. So anyway, I got a new box, and it's always a little bit of a surprise. Even when I have picked what's coming, I've always forgotten. So it's like Christmas morning every time I get one. So I'm gonna open this for you and see what I got. So yes, I'm doing an unboxing video. All right. Okay. Alright, so this is nice. A nice romaine. That doesn't look weird. Maybe it's a little small? Not really. Okay. One pear. That looks fine. Oh, I got some apples. Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. I ordered 4 apples, and they're very weeny. They're very tiny. So I'm glad that I got 2 bags of them. So I got 8, but then why? There are more tiny ones that are not in the bag. Maybe that's to make up for how small they were. I don't think so, because I ordered artichokes and they're very small. Usually artichokes are like this. So artichokes and a radicchio, which is about, I don't know, it's a little small for a radicchio size. What else came? Blueberries. Those look like blueberries. Sugar plum grape tomatoes. Those look like grape tomatoes. Some extremely hard and small peaches. More apples. Oh my god. I might have to make a pie. There's some more pears. Those look good. And what else? I got some Bon Maman Intense Apricot. I don't know why that's different than regular apricot, but this is intense, everyone. And I got some olive oil. That's about what I expected. And, well, there you have it. I guess, just so you can tell how big these peaches are, this is a lime. Okay, so also with the apples, again, this is a regular sized lime, and that's the apple. So anyway, if you hear scratching in the background, it's because the dogs are trying to get out to me. Anyway, that's my Imperfect Produce box. I think it's a really good thing to help. I mean, it's a pretty good deal anyway for organic fruit and vegetables. And it also, the scratchy door. Anyway, and it also helps stop food waste, which is always a good thing. So anyway, that's my update for today. Scratch, 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 scratch. Bye.